Jogja, and welcome to director. The edit was free. Maybe I've gotten power director and then you really do a lot of stuff. How to exact them, alright, using so you go onto this Lucky Patcher and then you do this power director. You come and hit on menu of then create modify, then rebuild, then broadcast for rebuild the app. Then it will start rebuilding the app. You want to use the app without apps. You want to use the power director to its full capacity. You don't want any hindrances. What about to pay money? What about they have money to pay? If they have money to pay, this is what you got to do. I've done this a lot of apps on my phone. If I download any app and they tell me, hey Charlie, let's go get some things to do, pay money, and then you give it filters, you pay money, you give it effect, I'm not going to pay any money. I have games that I've hacked, so this is right for you. We are waiting for it to finish patching, so let's see what happens.
Make I tell you something, the way you walking, they bust my brain. I get to one girl with the big bump, the other one too with the big Baby come around, make we go down. In my whitey Benzo, I like to turn them to sideways. The other way, my way. To the sideways, the other way. Man in call form, man in butt. Man in call form, man in butt.
To fire, uninstall and all. Then you install.
Body no be firewood. How you did mood and shemeni. I don't wanna sound rude, like I want see face. Matin I fear I should good. Megan, tonight you go quit being vegan. Mush up me mind. Turn around, take a snapshot. Don't stop, girl. You better put your back in rewind.
Let's see what I can take this video and edit project. Alright, now you can see that they have their things there. You can see that they have this thing right there, alright? So I'm going to remove it without paying anything. So you guys click like this, then just say what?
I tell my niggas we gon' get it. I put that on my mama like the diamond necklace.
I'm gonna choose subscribe now, my man.
And the original popping off, so I had to do the remix. Okay, I'm new maroon in my category. Guess why they hating on me? Never put no hand out, took no favorites, they none shit for me. King shit, little nigga on some king shit. Big wheels, wealthy deals, skinny nigga with a big bitch, Hold up. These rap niggas really ain't shit to me. I came up and I done fucked the game up. Change what? Nah, shit ain't me. Who you know? Be the youngest nigga. Got a record label in this industry. Got your favorite actress, not Range Rover. Took her back to the crib, not game over.